Hello, my name is Over Estupiñán. I am 36 years old. I am an electronic engineering student uh, in the UNAT University. I grad I get up. I 5 o'clock. Um, I always take a shower. Uh, I get drugs wet. I shower ice cream. I am wearing blue. I am wearing a brown boots. I am wearing blue jeans. I am wearing a black t-shirt and sweater. Um, um, I eat breakfast. Tea with black. Uh, I always brush my teeth. Uh, I normally got to work of Monday to Friday. I usually start work at 6 o'clock and I finish work at 2 o'clock. I never drink beer and do not smoke. What are they doing? Um, I select the picture F. They are cooking. Um, they are happy. Um, she's wearing gray blouse. Um, she is wearing black pants. Uh, he's wearing blue shirt. He is drinking white. Mm, Goodbye.